Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a roofing business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a roofing business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Every structure needs a roof, including residential, commercial, educational, and governmental buildings. Due to the limited lifespan of roofs, roofers always have a steady flow of work. However, roofs require regular maintenance, inspections, and repairs. The cost of opening a roofing business can vary depending on the size and scope of the company. Additional expenses may include office space, materials storage, trucking costs, utilities, and insurance premiums for workers' compensation and liability. A roofing business owner must also account for ongoing expenses, including salaries for employees, truck maintenance, insurance premiums, utilities, and office supplies. The costs associated with these expenses can add up quickly, and the purchase of new equipment such as a truck can cost over $20,000. Renting a dumpster can cost around $350, while buying one can cost around $3,000. The salary for installers ranges from $10 to $15 per hour, while foremen earn around $20 per hour. Office managers can expect to earn between $15 and $20 per hour. Roofers tend to prefer clients with flat roofs rather than steep angles. Building relationships with property owners who own multiple properties can lead to additional projects in the future. Roofers make money by charging for roof inspections, evaluations, repairs, and replacements. The cost of a comprehensive roof evaluation can range from $100 to free, depending on the roofer. A roof replacement typically costs between $6,000 and $14,000. The cost of roof repairs depends on the extent of the damage and the type of material used. Maximizing profitability for a roofing business involves keeping material and labor costs low, while securing a steady stream of new clients. Establishing a reputation as a high-quality roofer can result in premium pricing for customers. In addition, sideline businesses such as roofing consulting or renting unused equipment or office space can provide additional sources of revenue. With a successful business, roofing companies can make a six-figure profit in the first year or a couple of years of operation, and several $100,000 in profit annually for established businesses. Expanding the business across counties, states, or the nation can lead to potential profits in the millions. Here are some key steps to consider when starting a roofing business. 1. Research the industry. Before launching your business, it's essential to research the roofing industry in your area. Learn about the market demand, the competition, and the licensing and insurance requirements. It's also important to have a solid understanding of the types of roofing materials, tools, and equipment that are commonly used. 2. Develop a business plan. A business plan is a crucial tool for any entrepreneur. It outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Your business plan should include details on your target market, pricing, marketing and advertising strategies, and any necessary permits or licenses. 3. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain specific permits and licenses to legally operate a roofing business. Research the requirements in your area and ensure that you obtain all necessary permits and licenses before beginning operations. 4. Secure financing. Starting a roofing business can be costly, so it's essential to secure financing. This can include personal savings, loans from friends and family, or business loans from financial institutions. Consider working with a financial advisor to determine the best financing options for your specific business needs. 5. Purchase equipment and materials. To operate a successful roofing business, you'll need to invest in equipment and materials. This can include tools such as hammers, saws, and drills, as well as roofing materials such as shingles, flashing, and underlayment. You may also need to purchase a vehicle to transport equipment to job sites. 6. Develop a marketing strategy. Once you're ready to begin operations, you'll need to develop a marketing strategy to promote your services to potential clients. This can include creating a website, leveraging social media platforms, and networking with other professionals in the industry. 7. Hire employees or contractors. As your business grows, You may need to hire employees or contractors to assist with roofing installations and repairs. Ensure that all employees or contractors are properly trained, licensed, and insured. Starting a roofing business can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning and execution. By following these key steps, you can increase your chances of success and build a thriving roofing business. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a roofing business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.